What's up, everybody? It's your boy Josh with JTM Racing. What's going on? So today we're going to be doing some maintenance on the Impala. Nothing too crazy or exciting. First, we're going to change the oil. Second, I did pick up some LED bulb replacements for the license plate lights and the reverse lights, so we'll swap those out. Third, we're waiting for some trunk lift supports to show up from Amazon today. Hopefully they show up in time to be in this video, but we'll see. And then also we're going to go over a few things I've done recently that I didn't get any footage of. So yeah, let's get started. Let's drain this oil. Alright guys, so on this generation Impala, the oil filter is kind of a pain in the ass to get off. It is on the passenger side, right above the control arm. Yeah, just a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we'll get it off. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright, there's our new oil filter installed. I'm digging that matte black finish, even though it's just a oil filter. It's pretty sick. But yeah, time to put oil in her. The motor oil of our choice today will be Mobil 1 high mileage 10W30 full synthetic. This oil offers up to 10,000 miles of protection, so you know it's good. But we're definitely going to be changing it before the 10,000 miles are up. You almost tripped me. Screw your Skechers.
Who the fuck changes oil in Nike's sandals, for God's sake?
So she takes up to 4.5 quarts of oil. We're gonna start her up, let her run for a little while, let her get up to operating temperature, and we'll see if we have to top her off at all. All right, we're gonna let her warm up. All right, so we let the Impala run for about 10 minutes. We let her get up to operating temperature, so that oil got nice and hot. Now she's been sitting for about 5 minutes. We're gonna check our oil level. Money. Don't even gotta top her off. Well, that's a little bit of a pain in the ass and a little excessive to change out the reverse lights, but you have to pull out the whole centerpiece of the tail light assembly. But yeah, we have it all unsecure. Now we're gonna pull it out. All right, before we show you the end result, we're also going to knock out the license plate lights so you can see all the new LEDs installed at the same time. All right, both sets of LEDs are installed. Billy's gonna kick both of them on. Christ's sakes. Definitely gonna edit that. Those look clean. Yeah, they're on. It's just daytime, so you can barely tell. So now we're just waiting for those trunk lift supports. So since we're waiting for these lift supports for the trunk, we're just gonna pop the old ones off. So when the new ones get here, we can just slap them on. So we got the old ones out, pretty simple. There's just little clips on the bottom and the top. If you use like a flathead or a little pick, you just pry those out and they come right off. But yeah, we're just waiting on the new ones to arrive. What's up, guys? It's the next day. So the trunk lift supports didn't show up to my house till late last night, but we're installing them right now. So here's the part number if you need it. And they ran me right about 18 bucks. So yeah, let's get these bad boys on the trunk. All right, so before we install these, I'm actually gonna lube them up with some lithium grease right where they mount on to the trunk in the car. So these two little ports and these two little ports. All right, so we got the new trunk lift supports on, struts, shocks, whatever you want to call them. And they're legit, they work pretty well. You actually have to grab this leather strap now to close the trunk. Trunk goes back up, all on its own. The ones that I pulled off were completely shot. So I'm pretty happy about this, and I've been putting it off for a while. So it's finally done. Like I said, they were 18 bucks, $17.99 if you want to be specific with tax. So they were pretty cheap, got them off Amazon. I'm happy. But one thing I am going to take care of right now, this wiring right here. You can see that the electrical tape is coming unraveled and it's bothering the shit out of me. So let's take care of that right now. Got that all cleaned up. That makes me feel much better. Damn, those new trunk lift supports are good. All right, guys. So I do want to go over a couple of things before we end this video. Like I said earlier on, we did a couple things to the Impala that wasn't on camera. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's not on the STS-V wheels anymore. It's on some next generation Impala wheels. Now, I don't like these better than the STS-V wheels, but they're a nice stock alloy. They ride a little bit nicer because they have a bigger sidewall. So I'm not complaining. I still have the other wheels in the garage. What happened is actually one of them had a decent sized crack. So I will get those repaired. I'll probably get them repowder coated black and then wrap them in some fresh tires and just have a second set of wheels for this car. Another thing me and Willie did do a couple weeks ago is install a double dent stereo, which came out super clean. Looks like it came like that from the factory, yo. No, but I dig it. We did use the plug and play harness, so we kept all the stock chimes as a little speaker box behind the stereo itself. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass to get it to fit in there, but it worked out. And yeah, it's pretty dope. The audio sounds way better than the stock factory deck. This car does come with speaker amplifiers from the factory, so you tie into those. Yeah, it actually bumps pretty decent. This car has all factory speakers, which we'll probably install something aftermarket later on, but I'm happy. Shit is getting done. But yeah, that's about it. Definitely stay tuned. Me and Willie, I believe this weekend coming up, are going to be installing drilled and slotted rotors on this thing. So I'm looking forward to that. I've never switched out the rear rotors on this car. Front brakes are due again, so we're gonna knock the backs out, and it's just gonna look dope too, appearance wise. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Keep watching, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Peace.